Hello, my name is Katie Rushworth and today I'm going to show you how to make a hedgehog house. This is the area of the garden that I kind of leave alone over the winter months. Nothing much gets cut back and it's a perfect habitat for wildlife. I especially want hedgehogs in. One, because they're beautiful and super cute and they really need looking after now. In this country we're really struggling to keep numbers surviving. And the other thing they do brilliantly is they eat slugs and snails. Now there are a few things you need in order to be able to do this. The first one is a container with a lid, and I have this one here. It has a lid that fits perfectly on the top. Then I've got a bit of pipe which is about 10 centimetres in diameter, some paper and something to cut a hole with. So first things first I'm going to mark up on this with a knife where the hole needs to go. So now you can just about see it's just leaving a faint line, so I know where to cut through with this Stanley knife. You can obviously use a marker pen or something for this. So that's now my circle cut, ready for the pipe to go in. Excellent. Now I really don't want my hedgehog to get hurt on this sharp edge, so I'm just going to cover it with some tape all the way around. And you can see that's starting to come along now. Now hedgehogs often use hedgerows and hedges to travel along. So I'm going to place this one at the edge of the garden near the boundary hedge in hope that they will find it quite quickly. Okay, now let's hope the pipe still fits. Yes, it does. So before I go any further, I'm going to position it in the corner over here, under these trees, in a nice quiet bit of the garden. Now I'm going to pop some sheets of paper in the bottom, just to make it dry and a little bit more inviting. Don't forget to pop some leaves in, make it cosy. Now I have to disguise it because no hedgehog is going to find a plastic box with a plastic tube appealing, but hopefully we can make it look invisible in this lovely shaded woodland area of the garden. Now hopefully these house bricks will just anchor it into position, and one firmly on the top. Now I've got some logs. These ones in and around. I think a sprinkling of leaves and we're pretty much there. And there we have it, a dry, cosy hedgehog house. It looks really inviting and it's wonderfully disguised from the rest of the garden. It's a brilliant project to do with the kids on a weekend too. For more how-to videos, visit silverlinetools.com.